welcome to my bathroom. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys some of my favorite skincare products and just my nighttime routine. This has just been a highly requested video, and you guys know how much I love my skincare. I have a lot of skincare, so I'm only going to show you what I'm currently using now. So there's a lot of new products because I've switched things up a bit. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first step in my nighttime routine, if I have makeup on, I'm taking my lashes off, I'm taking my makeup off with a Neutrogena wipe, and I'm washing my face. If I don't have makeup on, I don't use a wipe at all. But you know, when I have my makeup on, I'm using 2 or 3 wipes to get everything off. And also I like to use a Q-tip in my waterline to just get that liner off if I need to. I mean, it's usually still there, but I try my best. Okay, the first step after I take off the lashes, after I take off the makeup, is cleanse my skin. Right now, I'm using Guidance to Glow Cleanser. She's my esthetician. She does my facials. She has her own line, and it's all chemical-free, vegan. It's very clean skincare, which I like. So the Gentle Face Wash from Guidance to Glow, I believe she has a website. You can check it out there. It's not sold at like Sephora or anything, but it's just really just gentle, and my skin is sensitive, so that's what I need. The other cleanser that I like using, and sometimes I'll just switch off, or if I have makeup on, I'll use the First Aid, First Aid Kit? First Aid Beauty Cleanser, and then the second time I cleanse my skin, I'll use the Gentle Cleanser. So one's kind of like taking the makeup off, the other one's kind of, you know, really just getting in there. I feel like I kind of go through rotations with my skincare. Like you guys know, I was using Murad for a while. I switched to Ulla Hendrickson, and now I'm kind of on First Aid Beauty, and that's okay. You know, it's good to try new things. I feel like my skin sometimes gets used to products, so I like to switch, or if I just hear about something, I'm gonna, you know, try it. So after I cleanse my skin, usually I wash my face in the shower, but for y'all, I'm gonna do it right here. So after I wash my skin, I always apply eye cream. And right now I'm using the Kiehls Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado. This is kind of like old school. You know, by old school I mean it's been around, okay? She's been around the block. So I just use a little bit of this, like, I don't even know what this is, like a pea size? I don't know. And you have to activate it by rubbing your fingers together like so. And then I just press it under my eye. And I'm not gonna lie, I have a little bit of eyeliner still on because I line my waterline, and I'm just like, whatever. Like, it'll come off in the morning, you know, or at some point. So I'm just putting this under my eye and kind of just around my orbital bone, so right under the brows. Hydrate those under eyes. Okay, so next is a serum, and you could apply your serum first and then the eye cream, whatever works for you. I'm a serum freak. Like, I love serums. So serums penetrate deeper into your skin, and they are applied before moisturizer. So I have a couple here that I like. So this is Ultra Repair Hydrating Serum from First Aid Beauty. I love this. Sometimes I'll mix this with the Guidance to Glow Copper Complex Peptide. Anything with peptide in it, I know it's gonna plump the skin, it's gonna make my skin look good. And then I also have the Ultimate Growth Factor Serum. These are both from my esthetician. So sometimes I'll mix the First Aid Kit with the Guidance to Glow Serum, and boom. But right now my skin is super dehydrated. I don't know if it's because the seasons have changed or what, so I'm really into hydration right now. So I'm gonna use a little bit of the First Aid Beauty Serum. And I'm going to mix in just a little bit of, what is that, the Copper Complex Peptide. This bad boy right here. And I just swirl them, they're clear. And apply it on my skin and my neck. Oh, it feels good already. So another product that is kind of new to my routine is First Aid Beauty Cream, Ultra Repair Cream. So this says help hydrate dry, parched skin. My skin's very parched. So what I'm finding is that this is just good for sensitive skin. I have very sensitive skin. Like, I'll just break out in a rash for no reason, or if I have a climate change, like if I travel. So I really just need products that are great for sensitive skin. And because I'm dry, what I like to do is I like to mix this moisturizer. See, there's like a lot in here too. A little bit like this, maybe a little more. Okay, with the face oil, and there's 100 face oils out there. Like, and I probably have them all. I'm obsessed with face oils. Today I'm going to use the Guidance to Glow Elixir. I just love her products. I feel like they're just super like clean. There's not a lot of chemicals, you know, natural, just good stuff. But First Aid Beauty also has a face oil that I like, and Fresh has a face oil. There's a brand called Glowtopia that has a face oil, and they're all good. So I'm just going to mix a little, like 2 drops in with my moisturizer, maybe 3. Mix it together and then apply it. So adding those oil drops just adds extra hydration. On days when I'm not wearing makeup, I'll put the oil on after my moisturizer just to give my skin like a little glow. Hydrated glow, if you will. Let me put some bougie lotion on because we're in a video and I'm not trying to be ashy. Way just came out with their body lotion, body cream, super bougie. Put this up in here. I always lotion myself up at night after, that sounds weird, huh? After I get out the shower anyways, but there you have it. There's my nighttime routine. Let me take off my little bonnet here, okay? Because I look a little crazy. I do sleep with a bonnet on, but you know, I'm trying to look cute right now for y'all, so let me just take it out. Thank you guys for watching my nighttime routine. I'm pretty simple, you know, I just need some eye cream, some serum, some hydration, lots of hydration, and a bonnet, and I'm good to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see y'all later.